Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Render. As in my earlier videos of Render, I was showing you that after a very massive rally, the price of Render was stuck inside in another down channel, and this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, this might be a 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that while moving to the downside inside this channel, we found another support and resistance of another down channel and broke out this channel recently here in the month of April 2025, but could not break out the resistance of the bigger down channel. And this was the previous channel that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos, by the way, back in 2022. And I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very massive rally. And the technical target was here at the top of the channel at $8. And you can see that the price had rallied beyond that target. And from this low to here, overall, it was almost 5,000%, very massive pump, 4,950%. But the price I found is very strong and long-term resistance on here from $12.50 to $13.85. And after that, it was stuck inside this channel. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. By the way, this time you can see that with the resistance of the channel, we also have this resistance of exponential moving every 21 as well, the EMA 21. And the pricing is once again getting rejected by these both resistance. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for OGN, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this TradingView chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 6th of July 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Render. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. By the way, we found the resistance of the channel when we had a fake out from the bigger down channels resistance here in the month of November 2024. And we found the resistance here in the first week of December. Then we got rejection, bounce, so many rejections here, bounce, another bounce, a few more rejections. And finally, the price then broke out the resistance of this smaller down channel. But so far, it is not able to break out the bigger down channel's resistance. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that once again, it is reached the resistance of the channel here, and along with that, it is also trying to break out this resistance of exponential moving average 21. By the way, here we have a key support zone at $3.40, and it goes to $2.95. And you can see that this key support zone has been previously acting as a resistance zone here, and support zone here in the month of December 2021. And here it was working as support zone again for the past several weeks. It is working as a support zone here. By the way, for a while we broke it down, but the price and recovered back. And for example, if the price breaks it down, then it can test the support of the channel somewhere here, possibly at $1.80. But it is a bullish path move, and we have already broken out this previous smaller down channel as well. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon we can also break out the bigger resistance of the bigger down channel as well. And the technical target for the breakout for these both channels, the smaller and the bigger one, can be here at the top of the channel. By the way, the target for the smaller one can be here at the bottom of this resistance zone at $12.50, and the top of the channel, the bigger down channel, can be the target of the breakout from the bigger down channel that is approximately at $14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.